Most people over 50 don't realize that clutter isn't just about things. It's about energy, time, and peace of mind. Have you ever walked into a room and felt instantly tired or overwhelmed without knowing why? Welcome back to Contain Your Life. Today we're talking about one simple change that can make your home feel lighter, calmer, and easier to live in, especially after 50. The secret isn't buying anything new. It's removing what no longer supports your life today. As we move through different stages of life, our homes often stay frozen in the past. Closets hold clothes we no longer wear, drawers fill with items we forgot we owned, and surfaces slowly disappear under things we plan to deal with later. This creates visual noise, and that visual noise quietly drains energy every single day. The good news is that small changes create powerful results. You don't need to overhaul your entire home. Start with one visible space, like a kitchen counter or bedside table, and clear it completely. When you walk back into that room, notice how your mind feels calmer, almost instantly. Another important shift is letting your home match who you are now, not who you were 10 or 20 years ago. Many people keep items out of habit rather than purpose. Asking yourself one simple question can help. Does this support the life I want now? If the answer is no, it may be time to let it go. This is not about throwing away memories. It's about choosing what deserves space in your daily life. Creating breathing room in your home also reduces stress and saves time. You spend less energy cleaning around things, less time searching for what you need, and more time enjoying your space. Many people say they feel lighter emotionally once they start simplifying, because their environment finally feels aligned with their current lifestyle. The most powerful part is that you don't need to do everything at once. One drawer, one shelf, one small decision at a time builds momentum. Over time, those small choices create a home that feels peaceful, supportive, and easy to maintain. Remember, simplifying your space isn't about losing anything important. It's about making room for more ease, more clarity, and more freedom in this stage of life. If this message resonated with you, share it with someone who needs a little encouragement today. And subscribe for more practical ways to contain your life with less stress and more peace.